It's about time for the third and last part of the Winter in Moab series. This one will include some more of my favorite still images, some fun drone footage I could get when I was outside of the state and national parks, and just a couple comments about the trip along with my photo buddy Chad. So stay tuned and enjoy. And I always look forward to hearing from you about Moab or any other of your favorite photography locations. We ended the second day at the beautiful Fisher Towers by way of a scenic 25-mile drive heading east out of Moab along the banks of the Colorado River. Right now we're at a place called Dead Horse Point State Park here in Utah, near Moab, and my lips are a little cold, so it's hard for me to even talk. But anyway, so we are looking forward to some fun today. It's totally clear skies right now. The weather forecast promises a little bit of clouds later on in the day, and we hope that the weather forecast is correct because the past few days it's proven to be totally off, but to our favor yesterday. The landscape photographer's trip to Dead Horse Point is not complete without a shot of the juniper trees or other foliage to give you the splash of green in front of the red rock background, and even the mighty Colorado River carving out the deep canyon. We left Dead Horse Point State Park early and headed to Potash Road Trail, which you can see a little of in the distance if you look closely in the left center of this photo. There was one rock in the road that Chad tried to move, but we ended up going around it. And we're glad we did because we got to enjoy some more beautiful sights. It's day 4 here in beautiful Moab, and of course I don't know, it may not be beautiful right now because we can't see it. We're sitting in a fog up in Canyonlands National Park at a place called, what's it called? Some lookout. Yeah, some point lookout. I don't know. Anyway, that's where we're sitting. We're waiting for the sun to come out, and maybe it will. I don't know. But yesterday we had quite a day. What did you think of yesterday, Chad?
Yesterday was a good day. We went on the Potash Trail and went back in there quite a ways. Got some great photos. We're just waiting to get some good ones today.
Yes, and hopefully we will. So we'll watch for a little breakthrough of the sun, and we may go explore some places, but we've been sitting here for several minutes. Matter of fact, I think both of us fell asleep for a few minutes while we waited and hoped. And we've got some great plans for today. If this fog will lift up and give us a little bit of a break.
Yep. And I'm having a hard time staying awake.
Well, yeah, me too.
You're putting me to sleep over there.
Pretty boring stuff. We'll talk to you later. The fog did finally lift, of course, and I got both the time-lapse video that I showed in the previous video from this trip and also this still image. We also paid a visit back to Faux Falls, one of the very few waterfalls you find in this kind of desert landscape. A couple weeks back, Chad was looking through and found was it you that found it, or was it me?
I think it was you.
Oh, I think it was me. Yeah. On Google Earth, wasn't it? Yeah. We found a place called Faux Falls, F-A-U-X. Here just south of Moab, a few miles, and we thought, well, we're in the area, let's go take a look at someplace new we'd never heard of, we've never been to. Well, so we thought we would check it out. So here we are, and you say you got some good pictures?
I did. I think you probably got equally as nice a picture.
Well, we'll take a look when we get it on the big screen.
I'd maybe just keep rolling and show that.
Just keep rolling and show
just
down
keep
there?
rolling.
Okay, let's try
It's a pretty area.
Yeah, it is. With day 4 finished, we got some shut-eye, and we're up early for the final day of our winter 2020 Moab trip. Well, we're headed up to Mesa Arch again. I'm a little out of breath. We just walked up that first hill. But this is day 5. So we were here on day 5, or we were here on day 1. And now day 5, and it's a whole lot different, as you can readily see. Whew! That was a hill, but we're gonna have fun, and we're hoping and praying that there's a little bit of clouds filling up the valley. As we were driving up here, it looked like there might be. So we shall see, huh? Right now, it's pretty out there. probably can't tell, but in the back out the back window, there's a truck about to pass us. That's Moab is disappearing in the background as we head out. We're done. We're finished. It was a great trip. 5 days. Today's day number 5. Came down on Sunday. We're leaving on Thursday, and we had lots of opportunities for some great shots, some stuff that we've never been able to get to or see or have the right weather for on previous trips. So what would you wrap it up as, Chad?
You wore me out.
I wore him out. Okay.
Good trip. Good photos. Can't think of anything negative about it.
Nothing? Not even having to put up with me for 5 days?
No, it's been tolerable.
Well, I've tried to put on my sweetest personality traits for you. Anyway, so
That's been a good trip.
Yeah, it has been. It's been a good trip. It's been a beautiful trip. We're covered with clouds right now. There's some beautiful clouds up here, kind of half hiding the mountain. Right now we are driving past the entrance to Arches National Park. Still early and cold. I can't get my lips to move right. But anyway, driving right past the entry to Arches National Park as we head on north to home and family and computers to check out the shots that we've taken. So I don't know any other way to wrap this up, although I do think that maybe I should change my name from the world's oldest vlogger to the world's laziest vlogger, because there's quite a few shots on my list that I didn't get a chance to take, or didn't take or make the chance to take. So anyway, this is Scott Law, the world's oldest vlogger, along with his buddy Chad Barton, and all I can say is until next time, keep on keeping on.